magaling na senador. Namimiss na natin. Sana makabalik ko sa Senado. Bata pa ako, senador na to eh. At hindi siya basta ordinary senador. In fact, nung ako'y kursihal, isa sa mga ikinabuhi kong batas bilang lokal ng babatas, yung what you call the LINA law, the Urban Development Housing Act. At yun ay hindi ko lang sinabatas. Magiging naman ng pagkakataon ng alkalde, o isinapuso ko naman yung kanyang kinabuyo. Kaya kayo nakakabalita sa Maynila ng in-city vertical housing program. Kaya rapakan natin ang ating President, Senator Joey Lina. Sayang naman, ito yung mga kailangan natin sa Senado. But I'm happy to see again, malusog, malakas ang malakas. Ating ES, Secretary Mijaldea, Sir, we're happy to see you again. Ito lang is rapid. Okay, maganda na. Malakas ang malakas si Secretary. Sa ating Manila family, to our partners in national government, DOT, and IA, o lalong-lalo na ang IA, na matutuwa yan. O pagka nakatuluyan na yung napag-usapan namin ni Presidente Marcos, to make and create new Central Park in Manila. We'll bring New York in Manila, adjacent to Manila Hotel. Kaya yung mga dalaga ng Manila Hotel, alam mo, kaya kayo mag-date ng mga jowa ninyo. Because we will bring it back, the idea of your city government, and hopefully with the help of the national government, to give it back to the people. Not for a few one, but for everyone. And this type of open green space that we wanted is for our great-grandchildren. Because later on, whether we like it or not, maraming ipanganak, maraming mga kailangan ng espasyo. Ang mundo'y hindi lumalaki, ang populasyon ay dumarami. More we can offer as bilang pamana sa ating mga saling-laing pagdating ng araw, cleaner, maliwalas at panatag na syudad. And it's going to bring more foot traffic in the city of Manila with that kind of open green space outside of Intramuros, or what you call now the golf course. Sa mga nag-golf, pasensya na kayo. Marami pa naman magagandang golf course sa ibang lugar. We should make this space for our people, for general public. Kaya, kawan Diyos. Because I'm very excited to tell you this. An hour ago, after 2 weeks of preparation, we're going to go back to the President and present. Now, 2 weeks thereafter, of the general plan of garden in the middle of the city, through the help of the people of Singapore, who work with National Park in Singapore. We already have the master plan about an hour or two ago. Kaya yan ay para po sa inyo. Itong makasaysayang Manila Hotel, lalong aaliwala sa kapaligiran. At magiging dalawin, pasyali ng ating mga kababayan Pilipino at mga banyaga. But now, today, we're about to light up Manila Hotel in line with our celebration. I think we have the longest celebration in the world. Maaga tayo nagsisimula. Yung ibang kultura, yung ibang lahi, 2 araw lang. Tayo 3 buwan ang Pasko sa Pilipinas. But we are happy to have that kind of culture, that kind of tradition Natutuwa tayo kasi bagamat marami tayong suliraning personal o ekonomikal, no? Pero pag nagsindi na ang ilaw at islap ng Pasko, nagbibigay ito ng maaliwalas na outlook and vibes to our community and to everyone. So today, we are very grateful. Ang Manila Hotel ay pangungunahan ang pagsindi at islap ng tala dito sa Maynila sa makasaysayang Manila Hotel. Palakpakan po natin ang Manila Hotel. To those who are watching and going to watch this, please come and visit us in Manila. Marami kaming pasyalan dito. Ako, lalo na, pumunta kayo ng Intramuros, you will be amazed. It is not the way it is before. Marami ng mga bagong pasyalan, maliwalas na kainan, ligtas na paglalakbay. Sa loob ng Intramuros, through the leadership of DOT and Intramuros administration. We are very happy and proud of them, taking care of one of the jewels of the city of Manila. And in our own little way, through the leadership of former Congressman Cristal Bagaching as our tourism of Manila, we will align ourselves with the private sector like Manila Hotel, with the national government and your local government. Pipilitin namin, magbubuti kami na we are going to act in synchrony, in unison, so that no waste of money and resources na parang mapapariwara na lamang dahil hindi nagpapanapanagpo o napag-uusap-usap ang mga programa. Sa aming mga mamamayan, ito lamang po masasabi ko bilang panguli. Welcome po kayo sa lungsod ng Maynila. Bumalik kayo sa lungsod ng Maynila at muli ninyong alalahanin ang inyong mga karanasan noong panahon na kayo mga bata pa o nag-aaral pa dito sa lungsod ng Maynila. Sa aming mga immigrants, OFW, come, visit first Manila Hotel. Because from Manila Hotel, we're going to sleep and enjoy. Just across, you walk in front of this building, you'll see Intramuros, then you go to Esplanade, and after Esplanade, you go to Roseros Park, and after Roseros Park, you go to Metropolitan Theater, from Metropolitan Theater, you go to Cartilla, from Cartilla, you go to National Museum, dalawa na magandang museum namin, courtesy of the national government, at pwede na po kayong magpagulong-bulong muli sa damuhan. Naalala niyo ba yun? Nung nangangalawin pa kayo ng jowa ninyo, namamasyal na walang pera doon sa Luneta, because maliwalas na muli ang Luneta. Sooner or later, with the help of everyone, private sector, national government, manatag kayo, pipilitin namin iawan na muli maibalik ang katanyagan ng ating lungsod na minamahal. But, let me take this opportunity also to ask you, please, tulungan niyo naman kami. Tulungan niyo kami magpusang disiplina. Tulungan niyo kami maging malinis. Magtulong-tulong tayo. What I ask from you, simple task, just showing care of our environment. Because I, for one, cannot do this alone. But together, we can make Manila great again. Magandang araw, maligayang Pasko, at sana matagumpay na bagong taon sa lahat ng Pilipinas. Pilipino at Manileño. Magandang araw po. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mayor.